So in this video we're gonna do some basic substitution. This video is very important because once you know how to do number substitution very well, you won't have less problem when you're doing expression substitutions, and then in calculus you have change variables and many other things. So basically what we're gonna do is a plus b, find the answer when a equals 3 and b equals 5. So I will substitute the variable for the value that is indicated. So if a equals 3, what is the a? I will put a 3. And what is a b? I will put a 5. So basically what it's telling me is 3 plus 5, and that will be 8. Then in this case I have a multiplication. 2a means 2 times 8, so it means 2 times 3 plus 2 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 5 is 10, and when you add those two, that will be 16. These first 4 examples works very well for 3rd grade students, 4th grade students more or less. Then the next one will be more in the middle school level, and the last one is upper middle or basic high school. Let's keep going. 4a is 4 times a, so 4 times 3 minus 2 times 5. So this is 12 minus 10, that will be just 2. And here we have, oh yeah, 3rd grade kids, they don't do negative numbers, so this one will be for middle school students. But the previous 3rd grade students can understand it very well. So a equals 3, so 2 times 3 minus 5 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, so negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Now we're gonna introduce fractions, exponents, and we're gonna work with 3 variables instead of just 2. So a is 2, b is 1/2, and c is negative 2. That's what I'm saying. This is more like for middle school students. Okay, so 2 minus b is 1/2, and c is negative 2, plus 2 times negative 2. So 2 minus 1/2, I assume you know how to subtract fractions, but you can do it as a decimal. 2 minus 1/2 is 0.5. That would be 1.5 or 3/2. So this here is 3/2. There are previous videos how to add fractions in details. And 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And now this is 1.5 minus 4 is 2.5, negative 2.5, or negative 5 over 2. Any of those two is the right answer. Negative 2.5 or negative 5 over 2. Those two are correct. So then here I have a as an exponent. Okay, so let's keep going. ab is 8 times b, so it means 2 times 1/2, plus c is negative 2, but it's raised to a, and a is 2. It's my exponent 2, plus b is 1/2. So I also assume you know how to multiply fraction. We have a lot of videos on multiplying fractions, so I'm not going to take time on this. 2 times 1/2 is 1. Basically we simplify here. 2 with 2, that will be 1. Negative 2 raised to 2 means negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4 positive, plus 4 plus 1/2. So this is 5 plus 1/2 is 5.5, or 11 over 2 if you do it as a fraction. 11 divided by 2. So this is the answer here. Now we're gonna go to the last 2, and now we're gonna go through one application, which is the equation of the line. That is in high school. You learn that in high school, in 9th grade. Depends on also for GED, that helps a lot. And basically what we're doing is this is the slope-intercept form of the linear equation. This is also a linear equation, but this one is written in point-slope form. M is -2, which is the slope. We're going to work on this first. And x comma y is 2 comma -5. So this is my x, and this is my y. So I substitute those values on this equation to find b. If you look here, I have 4 letters, 4 variables, and I have only 3 numbers. That means I will substitute 3, and I will find the 4th one. So y is -5. It's equal m is -2 times x. X is 2 times 2 plus b. Next step, 2 times -2 will be -4 here. -5 plus b. -4, you add 4 on both sides, and that will be -1 here. So b is equal -1. Now it's time to write the equation. On the equation, what I do, I just substitute the m and the b. So the equation will be, let me write it different color. Equation will be y equal m is -2, -2x. I do not put anything on the x. -1. This -1 is the b that we just found. The b here, this one. Okay, we're gonna work on this. Now there's an exception here that this x and y, I will substitute what it says y1 and x1, none what is x and y. Okay, so first step, I substitute the values. Y minus, this minus is from the formula, and this 5 negative has its own minus, so I have to write both, minus 5. Put a parenthesis here because 2 signs shouldn't be together. Equals, the slope is -2. X minus the value of x1 here, I substitute the 2. And then I start working on this. This minus sign minus is plus, so here's y plus 5. This is, we use like distributive property, minus 2 times x minus 2x, and minus sign minus is plus 4. Now the next step is this 5 here positive. I will subtract 5 on both sides, so it goes negative over here. Y equals -2x plus 4 minus 5. And in the last step, I will, 4 minus 5 is -1. That would be y equal -2x minus 1. So you see here, those two equations, final equations, are the same. Okay, they are the same. So it doesn't matter which method you use, you will get the same answer. Some people likes this one, some people likes this one, but that's up to you. Any of those two, you will get the same answer.